Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia Killian. If you haven't already, then please like and subscribe because I'm a YouTube girly now and I'm here to tell you everything law of assumption and manifestation. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can assume the feeling of having what you want, because this is really what law of assumption is all about. You assume the identity, the beliefs, the feelings of what you want right now. And when you do that, you collapse the time and space between you and that thing. This is what I teach all of my clients in my workshops, in my email coaching, in my one-on-one coaching, which are all linked down below, by the way. This is the biggest thing that I teach. You have to collapse that time and space gap between you and the thing you want. And the fastest way to do that is through feeling. So I am heavy, big heavy D, on affirmations. I'm heavy on sleep affirmation tapes, especially because I believe they are a really fast way to reprogram your subconscious and get you what you want really fast. It's a really fast way of just rejiggling everything that's going on in there whilst you sleep. You wake up every single day feeling better and better and a little bit more towards the new identity every single day. You've worked on those old beliefs a little bit more every night whilst you're sleeping. I just think it's fucking amazing. Or auto-suggestion in general, so listening to your affirmations on a loop in the background. You can robotically affirm them, which is just saying them over and over and over again. This could be mirror work. Like I'm a big believer in affirmations. The problem is, okay, your affirmations are designed to help you reach a feeling point, a belief state, like the knowing state, as some creators call it, or Neville Goddard calls it. And if it isn't doing that, there's a high chance there's a cognitive dissonance between your affirmations and how you're actually feeling, like your actual underlying feelings and assumptions about this thing. This is why it can feel like you are doing 50 million thousand affirmations and nothing is changing. I have said for so many years, the mind creates, the heart attracts. And I'm a massive believer in that. Your heart is a magnet, and that feeling state is going to pull that reality closer towards you. So in order to collapse the time and space between you and the thing, we have to feel the feelings of having that thing already. So I'm going to give you 2 ways in which I love to cultivate that feeling state within me. The first one is literally setting a timer for 2 to 3 minutes and imagining what it would be like to have that thing. You can do that with me right now, okay? So let me have a look what time we're on. We're gonna do it for a minute because this is a YouTube video, but in your own time, I would like you to set a timer for 2 to 3 minutes. And I want you to do this like every 2 to 3 hours throughout the day. I don't give a shit if you're at work. I don't care if you're on the bus. I don't care if you're on a bike. You can do this with your eyes wide open. It's something that you can just cultivate within you. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna program your subconscious mind and your body with the new feeling state. This is gonna make it normal to the brain. The brain does not like what is unfamiliar. So at the minute, this feeling of having that thing is going to be unfamiliar. We need to make it as familiar as possible. So not only do you attract in that thing, but when it comes, you keep it, because the brain is like, I know this. I know this feeling. So say you've imagined a million times kissing the love of your life. Your brain, when that actually does happen, because your brain can't figure out whether that's real or fake, the brain's going to go, oh, I know this feeling. It's not going to try and push it away. It's going to keep it. When the money starts pouring into your business, it's going to go, oh, I know this feeling. I felt this the other day, even though it hadn't. We'd just been practicing it. We're going to make it familiar. So in your own time, you would normally stick a timer on, but just with me, close your eyes, okay? Close your eyes. And I want you to put the biggest smile on your face. I want you to think of a time where you just felt so loved, so overjoyed, and just channel that energy, channel that feeling, channel that excitement, just channel that like, feeling. Like, keep that smile on your face, really feel it in your chest, really feel that happiness, that love, that feeling. And now I want you to imagine the thing you want has just happened. It's literally your life now. So you've manifested a person, you've manifested money, you've manifested the amazing business, you've looked in the mirror and you are your dream body weight. Like, what does that look like? What does that feel like? Like, literally with a smile on your face, like, how exciting does it feel to have this thing? Let those emotions, I want you to feel it with every cell in your body. Let those emotions just wash over you. I want you to just feel so fucking gassed for yourself. Like, feel so proud of yourself. Like, I did this. This is mine. Claim it. This is mine. See it, touch it, hear it. What's going on? Tell yourself, this is mine. And then I also want you to cultivate a feeling of gratitude. Like, universe, thank you so much. When you can create gratitude for a future event before it's happened, you literally pull it towards you at lightning speed. So universe, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this thing. And just tap into that feeling. You can open your eyes now. I would recommend doing that every few hours. And if you can do it for longer than 2 to 3 minutes, then please do it for half an hour if you need to. I would recommend saturating your body and mind with that feeling. It is going to magnetize your desires to you. It's going to make your affirmations feel a lot easier. It's going to make everything happen faster. It's going to change your biochemistry. Okay? The second way you can practice this feeling is by picking a song that elicits that feeling within you already. So for example, my favorite euphoric song is Dario G, Sunshine. When I listen to that song, all my chemicals in my body are firing up. I just feel like, and I always listen to it when I'm going for a walk. So the momentum of my feet moving to that everything going on in the song, I can feel my energy just getting more and more excited. And I just program those feelings of, oh, thank you, universe. Thank you. It's mine. I did it. Sometimes I don't even know what I did. I don't even know what I'm thanking for. I'm just channeling that energy of, universe, thank you, fucking thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I just, honestly, if I'm on a walk, I'd do minimum of 15 minutes. Listen to the same song over and over again. And I'm just programming that feeling to be my new reality. Now, I have a specific one for money. It's Go Flex by Post Malone. Again, I'll be driving around to that song, or I'll be walking around to that song. And I am like, I feel like the baddest bitch on the planet. I feel like I've got fucking millions in my account. I just want to go. I'm just like, yeah, I did it. I'm that bitch. I hit my goals. I hit my money goals. I hit my business goals. And I'm channeling that feeling. And I will practice that day in, day out. These are practices I do every single day. On top of my affirming, on top of my nervous system regulation, feeling it real and tapping into that feeling state is one of the biggest things you can do to supercharge your manifestations. Let me know in the comments how you got on with this exercise, what song you're going to choose, and let me know how it felt to do these things. Let me know what you're manifesting as well. Let's all collectively manifest. Tell me what you're manifesting. I cannot wait to see you next time. Sending you loads of love.